on the Play Store. This is my keyboard dot for reference. Typical normal .face 𝕦𝕚𝕚𝕤 keyboard. Now let's go to Pinterest if you want more reference for Baidu keyboard 𝕸𝕦𝕕𝕚𝕚. Pick the one you want. Use BTS for Android. BDI for iPhone users. Choose any keyboard you like. I choose this one since it matches my phone theme. Press download anyway. I already had it downloaded, so don't mind that tism. Open IT and File Manager. Only File Manager, guys. Make sure you have switched that to Baidu keyboard, or this won't work and random scramble words will pop up. And voila, there you have IT. Woo! For those of you asking how to change language, this is how to. You cannot change a to Arabic or any other languages that I know of. I could be wrong. If you want your keyboard to be dark mode, just switch your phone to dark mode. Now if you want to switch to Baidu keyboard, all you have to do is press the little keyboard icon down below. As you can see, if you don't have Baidu as your keyboard, it will not work. So make sure you press the icon and boom, there you got it, loves. Choose the keyboard you downloaded and click it and then press File Manager. And it should pop up with a green text below skin added. Something like that. That's it. That's all, guys. Hope all your questions were answered. Like and subscribe. Comment if you still have questions.